Want to tap into what your friends really think? Let's create a Facebook poll. First, head to your Facebook homepage. You'll want to find the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your feed. This is where all the magic happens. Click into that box to start creating a new post. Now, look for the three little dots, or an icon that looks like it, often labeled More Actions or similar. Click on that. A menu will pop up with different post types. See the one that says Poll. That's our target. Click on Poll to open the poll creation interface. Now, it's time to craft your question. Type directly into the Ask a Question field. Be clear and concise so everyone knows what they're voting on. Next, we add the voting options. You'll see fields labeled Option 1, Option 2, and so on. Click into these and type your choices. You can add more options if needed by clicking the Add Option button. Thinking about duration, you can usually set how long your poll will run. Look for a setting that allows you to choose 1 day, 3 days, or even 1 week. This controls when the voting officially closes. Before you post, you can decide where this poll will appear. You can post it on your personal timeline, within a specific Facebook group you're a member of, or even as part of a Facebook event. Just select your desired location from the drop-down menu. Once you're happy with your question, options, and where it's going, simply click the Post button. Your interactive survey is now live, ready for your friends and followers to weigh in. And that's it. You've successfully created a Facebook poll to gather opinions and boost engagement. Happy polling.